Hello, Buckus. Let me clear you off there a little bit, buddy. Look at this. We finally got some rain. Finally. It's been raining all night. I've been up watching sumo, and it has been raining all night. Look at that. They are so happy. They're so happy. Do 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 do. Look at that. This fucker is taller than me now. So here we are good to go. The rain has come. Let's go see what's happening out here at the old watermelon patch. Oh snap, look at it. Look at it. It's looking more watermelon-y every day. Oh, there we go. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, see, it's raining now. The screen's all fucked up. Anyway, zoom, nigga. Close up of the marigolds. Look at that color. Bam. Bam. All right, let me get the fuck out of here. Wait, look at those impatiens. Bam. So yes, everything's doing good. The rain is here. We're finally happy to get some natural water on the girls. Rain strong, go Park!